Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video today. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So you guys, I'm back with another Croc video. Y'all know the first video I told y'all I didn't like Crocs and they just grew on me all of a sudden. I don't know what happened, but I love Crocs now, and a lot of people weren't feeling Crocs until they saw Nicki Minaj and her Crocs. So I decided to go ahead and pick up another pair of Crocs. These don't actually have the fur in them because I was wearing the ones with the fur in them for the longest, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up above. But those became like my everyday shoe until it started getting hot outside, and then my feet started sweating, and I was like, no girl, you can't be out here in these streets with sweaty feet, okay? So I decided to go ahead and pick me up another pair. I did kind of want like a bright colored pair, but I saw these and I fell in love. They came in this box right here, and it just says Crocs on the front, and I did pick these up from Journey's Kids because I still can fit kid sizes. Don't judge, but that's good for me, that's good for my pocket, okay? So I did get these in a size 6, and they are called the Classic Glitter Clog K, and they are in the color black. So what I did decide to go ahead and do, you guys, is go ahead and get some charms. As you can see, I have a Chanel charm on here, another Chanel charm, a YSL one, a Louis Vuitton, and another Chanel charm. And I did pick these up from a company called My Luxy Charms. I will put them in the description box down below. But each one of these charms were, I think, like $5 a piece, I want to say, which I feel like is really reasonable. I just feel like it gives it like a luxury look, like a designer look, because I did have like the regular little charms, and I just thought that was kind of kitty to me. I don't know, but I just wanted something that was just like gonna pop, okay? And I definitely feel like these pop because I've been out everywhere and people have been looking down at my feet. They ain't saying nothing, but they be looking, and I see y'all looking, okay? On this one as well, it just has another Gucci, and then this one is Dior and Gucci, Chanel and Chanel. But they had a whole lot of different ones to choose from, but you have to catch them before they sell out. Shipping was super fast with them, which I did love. I think I got them within like 2 to 3 days when I ordered them. Oh, and these Crocs are $44.99. I've seen some Crocs in some other stores and they were a little bit more expensive. I've seen them like $50, $60, but these were actually $44.99. But when I paid $5 for each, you know, charm, it did push it up there. But hey, you gotta pay for what you want these days, okay? I'm just really in love with these Crocs, you guys, because they're super shiny and they're glittery, and I had never seen any of these before. I think I've seen like some pink ones before, but pink isn't really my color, so I had to go with something that was more neutral. But this is just adorable. Like, yes, I love it. And it sparkles. Like, I don't know if the camera is really giving it much justice right now, but in the sunlight, I'm telling you guys, these like really sparkle, really sparkle. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these Crocs down below, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, don't forget to come back. Bye you guys.